Music producer Sean Contractor Edwards has received his Billboard Plaque for his chart-topping compilation album Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica, the Reggae Collector's Edition. The compilation album was released in 2020 and is headlined by Shatta Wale. The project also features big names such as Capleton, Beenie Man, Sizzla Kalonji, Tommy Lee Sparta, Wayne Wonder, and Don Ute, among others. Contractor, who is also the executive producer of the project, is grateful for this accomplishment.
Another great thing about hitting Billboard with a compilation album is that it's an all-genre chart. So it's not just reggae, it crosses all genres. And we were on the charts with companies like Disney and companies like Motown. So that was a great honor.
Contractor is currently working on another compilation which aims on reaching the Asian market.
We're putting the finishing touches on our next compilation album, and we're targeting Asia, specifically the countries of Malaysia, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh with reggae music. We have the Malaysian reggae star Sassy the Don on it, and we have Chris Gayle, our West Indies cricket giant, on the album. And everybody knows Chris Gayle loves music, and he's on the album. And we have the reggae giants like Jack Cure, Morgan Heritage on the album. We have some of the US rappers on the album. We have a song from there on it from the upcoming DMX movie.
The Reggae Collector's Edition is the third installment in the Tropical House series. Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica was released in 2018, and Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica Reloaded, featuring 12 songs, followed up in 2019. It spent 5 weeks on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Dancehall artist Lali and the South London Ariza Crystal are still trending with the release of their hit track Bang Bing. Since the track was previewed online, it has gained massive traction on the scene, with the social media users on TikTok ranking up creations of over 400,000 videos. The official video is currently trending number 22 on streaming platform YouTube, with over 2 million views in just 3 weeks off being released. Lali has been creating quite a wave on the scene with the release of his hits Bird, Dirt Bunks, as well as Tippinate and others. Mega superstar Bad Bunny has released his 5th studio album, Un Verano Sin Ti, which means A Summer Without You. The project has 23 songs that have been dominating the charts globally. Now, on its first day of release on Friday, the Puerto Rican star broke 2 Spotify records. The album was ranked number 1 on top albums debut globally. Now, Bad Bunny also became the all-time most streamed artist globally on the platform in a single day. He picked up 183 million Spotify streams in 24 hours. The record was previously held by Drake, who attracted 176.8 million streams in a single day. Bad Bunny also had 10 songs from the album in the top 10 of top songs debut on the global chart. Bad Bunny was Spotify's most streamed artist worldwide in 2020 and 2021. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.